feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hey guys, this is waterfall here. This is on the road to Carts on the top of Amen, up in the mountain. You'll see a little waterfall sign coming here. It's really nice. Too bad we can't go down there and swim. That would be really cool to jump in that pool. I'm sure there's a way, but we need a couple people just in case you can't get out. Maybe some rope. But that looks nice back there. You really have a nice draft. Here's the other side. Wonder if we can make our way down there and swim down there. So it's a 20-minute walk down and a 30-minute back walk up. So it took me about 17, stopping for a couple pics. That's not too hot and humid up here in the mountains, so it's alright. I recommend this waterfall. It's pretty nice if you like nature and waterfalls.